we punched a bunch of skylights into the new NLT. Kind of a difficult move just because of the way the panels lay out and the way the structure lays out.
I think our structural engineer gave us like zones. It was like, this is it. We're like, okay, so that's exactly where the skylights are.
And I think in the initial designs, we had varying sizes, really narrow and long, and they all ended up being 2 feet by 4 feet, I think is what happened.
How much counseling did your structural engineer have to get after this project?
Honestly, probably a lot. We haven't heard from them actually since. So I hope he's doing okay.